Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to give a pro tip of how to save money when buying paint rollers. So I go through a lot of these paint rollers. These are typical 9-inch, half-inch nap paint rollers. To save money on jobs or DIY projects, I will recommend that you buy these from Amazon. This one right here, for a pack of 6, costs $8.90, I think 95 cents. So basically $9 for 6 of them. And I will put the link in the description. Appreciate if you purchase from Amazon from this tip. If you would use my link, it helps me create more videos like this. Anyhow, so let me show you how much it is on Home Depot website. As you can see, Home Depot for a pack of 3 is actually a lot more expensive. Not a lot more expensive. For a pack of 3, it's actually a little bit more expensive for this pack of 6. But the quality that you get from Home Depot is not even equivalent to this particular roller here. Let me demonstrate. Some of the features here that I like about these rollers. The end is tapered. There are like a 45-degree taper there. Hopefully you can see. They're not straight, they're tapered, so that you can get around corners without getting paint all over the corners. And also, these are microfiber. These are very, very soft. They're great for smooth surfaces, and it also have these diagonal lines. The purpose of those diagonal lines is so that you can see when your rollers are spinning. Instead of their singular color, it's hard to see if they're actually rolling or not. You know, sometimes you have that dead roll slide and you're actually smearing paint. You're actually not rolling paint. So these diagonal lines here will help you visualize what you're painting and whether you're actually rolling paint instead of smearing. Yeah, so anyway, these are great rollers. They're also easier to clean than the cheaper foams. These microfibers are really great. So that's it. That's just my tip. Don't buy paint rollers from Home Depot. Buy them from Amazon instead. Use my link. I appreciate you watching. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel for great tips like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.